Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game matches your hardware and OS, because mismatches cause immediate crashes. Once done, update GPU drivers and install the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. These fix missing runtime errors. Next, verify game integrity in your launcher and run the game as administrator to avoid permission failures. Also disable overlays. They inject DLLs that commonly destabilize games. These first steps eliminate most basic compatibility and runtime causes quickly. You dive deeper by reading Event Viewer for crash codes and reliability history, so you know whether it's driver, hardware, or software. Once you have clues, test RAM with memtest86 and run DISM and SFC to repair corrupt system files. Corrupted OS files are silent killers. Meanwhile, monitor CPU/GPU temperatures and power delivery with HW monitor, because thermal throttling or unstable power causes abrupt exits. If temperatures are high, reseat coolers and reapply paste. If power is unstable, you finish by adjusting in-game settings, drop presets, disable ray tracing, and try borderless or windowed modes to isolate rendering bugs. If crashes persist, reinstall the game cleanly after backing up saves and remove mods or custom configs that commonly break after updates. Make a system restore point before major changes, then test in a fresh user profile or safe mode. If it still crashes, roll back the GPU driver to a known stable version. This fallback path narrows down stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.